Hello again. Welcome to Group Kaiserschmarrn. In case you forgot, lightly sweetened pancake that is served as dessert or light lunch. Coming at you again today with team members of Team Pancake. That is James Oliver, Janelle Gage Roberts, Josh Millen, Nicholas Daly, and me, of course, Jeff Harris. Specifically, we're going to go over Deliverable 4, which the requirements for that one is a new version of Deliverable 3, so everything from Deliverable 3 again with the corrections from our peer reviews, and a final communication diagrams for 2 of the scenarios you have operational patterns for. And lastly, an implementation class model including all the functions and members that were discovered in class diagrams and communication diagrams. All right, let's go. So jumping right into our final deliverable document, at first we kind of had the team reflection, and pretty much what we felt was we tried to gather as much, criticism from our peers and from the reviews, and we try to pick out kind of the best one. That's what we did in our meetings. We kind of pick and choose which were the best features for our diagrams, as well as whatever the teacher's notes were, to make them kind of more simplified and make a more clear diagram that also all our different diagrams match together. And that's what we kind of discuss here in this team reflection. Mostly that's what we went over in the meeting. It's just kind of how can we improve our diagrams and stuff like that. Then you'll kind of see the individual reflections of everybody, what we did over pretty much every single task. We kind of split everything out evenly between everybody. And then we have the meeting overviews. We just kind of took bullet notes of what went on through the meetings. Pretty much everyone had kind of an equal say what they wanted to do or what they wanted to improve the diagrams, kind of try to split up equal work, but all the meeting overview stuff is going to be located here, honestly, for all our meetings, which we all met over on Slack, which was pretty cool. And no one really had any issues but me when it came to microphone and stuff like that, but luckily the team is awesome and we just hammered through, so no big issues. So jumping right into our first document, we got the domain class model. Then we got our use case model. Those are methods on. Excuse me. We got our sequence diagrams that challenge the system. Another sequence diagram. Challenge for our participant. Sequence diagram for add activity to challenge with participant. Another sequence diagram for create team. Sequence diagram for join team. Now we have our activity diagram for join team. Activity diagram for create team. This is going to be your system class model. Beautiful. These are going to be your personas, just kind of examples of who we were trying to make these systems for. We have our UI design. It's pretty clean. A login password. Sort of nice little pop-ups. It's going to be our very challenging operational patterns for create team. Operational pattern for join team. Operational pattern for adding challenge to a system. Give me your communication diagram for add challenge system. Communication diagram for creating a team. Implementation class model. The review section. much all the feedback we received, making it better as much as we can. We appreciated all the feedback that we got. I think the most difficult part was kind of deciphering what made sense, what didn't make sense as far as our peer recommendations. Obviously, the teacher ones were fantastic, and definitely appreciated. We had a lot of fun in this assignment. I thought it was pretty cool, pretty awesome, and look forward to working with these guys more in the future. Appreciate it.